super glue day. So I fixed my sunglasses. I broke off. I'm not ready to give up my flip-flops. So it's super glued. I think this one's fine, ain't coming apart yet. Then you can get some another 5-10 years out of these babies. Should be dry by now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's like brand spanking new. Look at that. Let it dry a little longer. Yeah. Sweet. I just want to stick to the side of my head. Yeah. Alright. We're ready.
Why you got your YouTube thing on?
It's always on. So what's wrong with this thing first? Is it just too loose? Is that what's going on?
Gotta take the fucking off.
Might just need adjusted.
It needs adjusted.
Oh yeah, it needs adjusted. Okay, let's flip this over. You're like the 5th chain I've fixed since I've been here. Why is everybody's chains loose?
Mine is loose.
It's loose.
Loose.
It's loose.
Mine is my shirt's about.
There we go. Alright, now it won't pop. Let me get it on there. There you go. Now go the other way. Other way. Well, on there straight. Hold it by the screwdriver part. That's it. Hold on. Slow down. Put safety back on.
Why do I need a safety?
So your wheel don't fall off.
I want my wheel to fall off.
You don't want your wheel to fall off. Hold on. Now your chain's not gonna pop.
Yeah.
No, it won't.
Yeah.
No, it won't.
When were you at the beach?
Huh?
When were you at the beach?
Yesterday. Watch it. He's plugged in.
Who's plugged in?
The bike's plugged in. That means it's charging. Don't knock it over. You're ripping the cord out.
I hear them.
Oh, I hear him somewhere. Well, now you ain't got to worry about your chain popping, so you're good to go.
Huh?
Now you don't have to worry about your chain popping, so you're good to go.
Yeah,
It won't pop. No, it won't. You're welcome. I got an air pump. Just gotta dig it out. Oh, is it all the way flat? Oh, there ain't no air in there. You might have a hole in it. You might have a hole in it.
Porta potties.
There it is. what I need. Now we can put air in. And hopefully it ain't got a hole in it. Thinking you probably got a hole in it. We're gonna find out. Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna find out right now. I don't know. See if it goes flat again. Now you can go faster. You got air in it.
Hey, there's still crap. Go inside that screw red. It looks like this.
Let's see if it's got a slow leak or a big hole. You're welcome. Oh, first one to say thanks. How about that? Where'd he go? Okay. He's coming. Top speed, top speed. Come on, rocket. Whoa, yeah. That was nice. That was nice. Yeah, that was nice. That was a nice slide there. They are. Burnouts are fun. Ooh, scary. You're afraid of rain?
Huh?
You're afraid of rain? You afraid of bikes?
No.
You ain't? Ah! My light's on.
Don't blind me. Finish doing your bone out. Make it go deeper.
Big hole?
Yeah. Let's see if we can drive back here.
See if you can drive out of it. Go ahead. Put your tire in there.
My tire here.
There. This way. There, put it in. Look at that. Now I can tell you what you did to burn out. Here, let me get a picture. To make it like you did it. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. I gotta get your picture. All right. You're on your own then. We got our first rain. This is pretty awesome. This is nice.
Advisory for the following counties: Georgia, Florida. Daytona Beach, Oakland Beach, South Daytona, Holly Hill, Orlando by the Sea, and Daytona Beach shores. http://w.
I'll explain it on you.
I gotta hold it while I do it. I gotta hold this up while I do it. No, I can't because I gotta hold it up while I do it. Hey, you're all wet now. My battery's going dead fast in the water. What are you doing? What's up? What were you digging in?
Huh?
What were you digging in?
That's the mudding
Oh,
for you.
a big old lizard went running. What's that?
I was about to go mudding for you.
Mudding. Ain't buddy got nothing on me. Cause I'm fast. Brum, 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 brum.
I have to run through. Get off my pipe.
Whoa! Trying to run into me now. Come do it. Oh, that's slippery, isn't it? That's really slippery.
I got my band suit on.
Watch, but I can do a burnout. There it is. Come burning out. Woohoo, doggy! Look at it go. I lost my shoe. Ooh,
Mine.
that's yours? Are you lying?
Mine.
It's yours now. I don't want it. I got a big one. In my camper. I think I'm gonna crash into you. Watch where you're going. You're gonna run into a tree. You don't pay attention where you're going. Where everybody else goes.
What the heck is this?
That's a locust.
My
They come every 7 years.
What?
Locusts.
Look how they fell. Mama! Can I get it? Hey, how much to buy this thing off you?
To buy it off me? After what I put it through, I don't think it's worth $10.
Alright, then here's $2. Is this how
What are you doing? Huh?
Is that it's what I think it is?
That's his butt.